Hi guys, it's Kent again, and Daryl. Don't forget about him, right? We're just heading down here to a mill, gonna pick up some lumber, try to beat this other guy. I'll turn this camera around here so y'all can see where we're going in. There's an Amish boy passing me right there, going the other way. They want me to come down here and pick up some lumber. I don't normally come down here a lot on the south side here, but this guy, kind of my competition, but we're friends. Him or his wife is sick, what I've heard, and they want me to haul this, and I told them I'd try to get it this morning, but I seen this truck in Centralia. I don't know if he's coming out this way or not. I don't know what we got going on up here. Somebody hitting the dadgum road. But they're waiting on me. Looks like he got some stuff for the mill. Here they've been doing a lot of working. Looks like they adding on. Here, look at that. Got them dadgum horses right in my way. They always park them right here. Park them right out in the way. Daryl don't like them out there in the way. He'll get mad. He'll get on them. Look there, right out my window. Got a couple big old perchins right there. It's a little muddy over here. I'm gonna have to knock it. I want to show you the window. The mirror, look there, they're not even moving. I'm almost touching the tongue of the trailer that they're on. That's some good horses there, buddy. Yeah. They don't even move that much. Around here, we're going to pick up some lumber. This is one of the sawmills here, Southside Sawmill. I think that's what they call it. Right there's where I got to back up to. I'll load off that side door right there. So I'm going to swing around here, back up and get loaded and get them out of here, I hope. Used to come down here some, but I don't think I've been down here in 3 or 4 months or longer, maybe 6 months. Just back it up here so they can get me loaded. We gotta get this lumber out. And they got some new dog here that Daryl's not real happy about. Wanted y'all to just see this mill here. Hopefully I can get back up here without locking it in. It's a little muddy, but I know there's gravel underneath of it. Now we're backed up. You can see them back here. Hopefully they'll get their hind ends up here and get me loaded. Don't really want to get out. Hold on in here, guys. I'll let you look there. That's what Daryl's looking at. He's out there watching them. Watching that dog right there. That's him. He don't like a lot of strange dogs around his truck. Well, I can hear him slowing the motor down. They're slowing that big motor down. That means they're gonna get out here and get me loaded. All right, hold on a minute, guys. What's the deal?
What you on first?
County line's on first and
Creek or all drain on
all drain
back.
on back.
Okay.
Cause I'm gonna drop him off first. That was on Ernest there. Some of them don't like to be on camera, so I was trying to hold it off. Dropping the plate down. Daryl, I believe that dog's bigger than you are. He might just whoop you. I'm trying to hold it still. I don't have one of them fancy tripod phone holders like some of these guys do. There comes the first bundle. That's how they put them on. Got some new boys out here I ain't never seen. So I don't know that I know any of them. One in the beard, that's the one of the owners, I guess I should say, is Dad owns a mill. There's the other one. That was his brother coming out there, Jonas. He's a pretty good boy. So that's how they load me right there. They just push them on with a jack, and that's how they get them off. I'm gonna get off here and go give them a hard time. Talk to y'all later. Bye.